Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good afternoon.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
Evening, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am. Aitha, Dawn.
Good
evening, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am. How are you, ma'am?
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
Ma'am. Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am. Again and again.
Ma'am, today we will complete our Rakhis.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am. Ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good evening,
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
Dawn,
Good evening, ma'am.
again. Good evening.
Ma'am,
Good evening, ma'am.
Ma'am. Good evening, ma'am.
ma'am, when we will complete our Rakhi and our drawing?
Ma'am, when we will complete our drawing?
Can we?
Can you wait?
Men will come. Then we will do that Rakhi drawing.
Hello, ma'am. How are you, ma'am?
Hello, good evening, everyone. Good evening. How are you all? Fine? Yes, before starting, I want to show you something. Yesterday, on very high demand of parents, I took a demo class. And in this, I taught this artwork. You can see this artwork. This all is three-dimensional. And the video of this I have uploaded on my YouTube channel. This is also a very good card on Raksha Bandhan. So if you want to make this, you can visit my YouTube channel and you can learn from them. Complete class, complete step-by-step class, coloring, everything is there on my YouTube channel. Okay, so you can learn it from there. Okay, now let's get started with the Rakhi. Okay, we will be learning only simple curve. We will learn fold and then assembling it like as you all are very creative. See, like here in this Rakhi, I just cut a heart shape. So let's make it. Come on, let's make it together. Take a square cloth. Okay, square, 10 by 10 centimeter. And if you want to make little big Rakhi, so you can make bigger size. Okay, I will be showing it on big cloth. Now, you will fold it like this. Fold it. Okay, press it nicely for crease. Take the center point and fold it. Take the center point and fold it. Normally for making aeroplanes, we go for this kind of creases. Okay? This way. Fold it nicely. Even boys can make. You will learn something. Okay, now you will open this arm, open this part. From this point to this point, you will start rolling. Put your finger here and slowly start rolling. Okay? Roll and come in center. Yes, your roll should be tight. If you will make loose roll now, it will not look good. Tight. I'm doing it tight. Okay. Now open the second fold. And from this point to this point, you will start rolling. Tight. Yes, this ways. Okay. So what will happen? Come in center. So you will be getting this kind of rocket shape. Okay, hold it like nicely. Yes. Hold it nicely, all of you do. Now, done? Show your thumbs up if done. Okay. And if not done, show your thumbs down. I will wait for you. Okay, I'm waiting. Keep doing. And see, in schools also, no, Rakhi making competition and this kind of competitions are held. This is a very different and unique Rakhi. I don't have EVA sheets available because in my area, all shop means there is very strict lockdown on Rakhi. Otherwise, I would have got EVA sheets. That EVA sheets, it means sparkle sheets. The sparkle sheets are best. I just took cuttings. Now, turn back. Turn this fold back. And now the pointed part, let it come down. This is trunk. And this part, these are two ears. These are ears. Now this cloth we have now, start folding it down. Carefully. Fold it down and take it back side. Take it back side. You will take cloth back side till it comes in one line. Okay, this ways. So your ears will be settled and this ways your good. Okay, and back side you go and put tape. Hold it nicely, give it a shape. See, one thing I want to tell you, all of you see. See, you will, this ears, if you will observe this ears, this is in straight line. When this cloth will come in straight line, now you will automatically get the curves. Okay, this is the way of making. Got Ganesha, eyes, you can put googly eyes, you can cut eyes and paste. It's absolutely your choice. And now, I cut small heart shape. You can cut a big heart shape also. Take any dark color. Okay, any dark color you can take. Let's take this green. These greens are very beautiful color. Let's take them. I will take 4 green and I will cut. Or you can go for one single also, okay? You can go for one single green. Just fold. Go for single, otherwise 4 will become very big. Now with help of sketch pen, see this is open part and this is closed part. Yeah, I will be repeating. You just wait for a while, I will be repeating. See and join. Let me complete it first and then I will be repeating it again. Don't worry. And see, you all will be getting complete recording also. So the only difficulty you are facing is because you are giving fold for the first time on cloth. Till now you're used to of giving folds. Yes. See, this way you will get this pan shape. And I made one with white cloth as my green. This way. I will be putting it on my pan shape. Small Rakhi. Small Ganesha, I made it with white color. And I was having a discarded flower. You can take any brooch, any diamond, any bead, anything. Okay, I will be repeating. You first see the method. And I will just put you can take any other thing also if you want. Okay, this way. It will take time in pasting. Now, with a waste paper, any rough paper, you will cut a square. Put Fevicol. Very nicely cover it. I will be repeating Lord Ganesha, okay? Just finish. Let me finish it first. Yes. Now I will take a string. Yes, the string I will keep. I put Fevicol over, then the string, and then finally this Lord Ganesha. And if you are using discarded Rakhi or any other thing, if you want to put flowers, 2 more flowers here, if you want to put beads, suppose if you want to do pasting of beads here, you can do pasting of beads. Whatever decorative material you have, you can put it. Okay, and if you will use bright color for making Lord Ganesha, it will come out beautifully. Okay, let's repeat Lord Ganesha once again. Okay, look at the fold very carefully this time. Because after this, we are supposed to complete our drawing also. Yes, take a square paper, square sheet. Square sheet. Do with me. Okay, let's do it again. Fold it like this. Okay, now take a center point. This ways. This ways. Fold this ways. I think this fold is clear. The only fold you are facing difficulty is when we turn, right? Okay, now open this part. Open this part. This part. One arm you open. Now see the roll carefully. How to roll this cloth. Yes. From this point to this point. Put your finger over here. Put your finger here. And now start making roll. If you will use a fluorescent color now, and once the technique will set, it will take time because you are giving fold. Yes, roll it till here. Okay? Yeah. Now put finger over here and open this part. Okay? You can take help of someone just to put finger. Okay? But rolling and everything you can do yourself. Now slowly you will start rolling this side. Tight. Your roll should be tight, not loose. Yes. Yes. This ways, my both the sides have been rolled. Okay. This ways. See the triangular shape. This is trunk actually. This is going to be trunk. Hold it from center. Do all of you do. Okay. And besides this, you will be getting the recording also. You don't give up. You just try with waist hanky and you will be able to do it. Yes. Done? Show thumbs up if done. Okay. Okay. I'm waiting. Do. Yes. Now, okay, once again I'm repeating. I'm repeating it once again. Open. I will fold it this way. Then take the center point. Here. Here, this way. You'll open one part. You'll roll. Open second part. Roll. Okay, turn. Now, turn it. After turning this portion, you will be putting it down. Just fold it down. As you fold the sleeves now, that way you just fold it. The technique is same as we fold sleeves. Okay? Yeah. This way you fold it. And when it is folded once, see, it is fold. Once it fold, hold it like this. Just fold it like sleeves and hold it from here. Yes, hold it from here. Yes. After folding it, I'm showing it again. See, all of you see? See, I'm just folding it like sleeves. Like as we fold the sleeves now, this way. Fold it and then hold it from center. Hold it from center. Okay. If I will put it on the paper, you will be able to see nicely. See, it's looking like this also. Now, slowly and slowly, this stripe which you fold now, you go back. You go back, and from this side also you go back. And this way you will get ears. This is that simple. You just go back. And the line, this should be in straight line. See, the ears should be in straight line. So you just give the crease till these lines are coming in straight line. Yes, we are supposed to do this drawing also. Because of this only I'm telling you, now this method is clear because half an hour, more than half an hour, Okay, see, I'm showing it again. All of you see once again. All of you see it again. See, now I just get this. Now this line and this line, I want in straight line. So what I will be doing? I will just take it back till it is coming in straight line. And this side also, I will take it back till it's coming in straight line. See, now it is in straight line and your ear is ready. That's simple. Then you go fold and put a strong sellotape. Put sellotape so that it will not lose its shape again. For putting sellotape, you can take help of your mama. She will hold it and you just put sellotape. If you will try to do it alone initially, you will find little difficulty because when you're folding, take help of your mama just to put finger when you're giving fold to one side. Okay? Yes, it's ready. I can see many students has done. Yeah, it is that simple. Okay? Just fold it backside and your ears will be ready. Yeah, very good. You can see Anika Jan has made, she put directly Lord Ganesha on string. Very good. She made a crown over. Anshika Sengar, good. Very good. Keep doing. Lovely. Those who have done, please show. Okay. Those who have done, will you show me? And don't get disheartened. Say, don't get disheartened. Very good. Try it with napkin. So do one thing. Don't make of your fair Rakhi. Try it with napkin. Take one hanky. Learn fold. Very good. Lovely. Parinita, lovely work. Good. Now only the decoration is left. Decoration, you can do of your style. You can take old Rakhi string and a decorative string and put your Ganesha. Your decorative Rakhi will be ready. Yeah, Darsh, it's lovely. Okay, so this ways you will keep doing. And you will not give up. As this is very first time you are giving fold with cloth. You will learn a lovely Rakhi. Don't give up, bus. Keep trying, keep trying. Very good, colorful. Few of you made very colorful Rakhi. Okay? If you have googly eyes, you can just put googly eyes. I just simplified it a lot. Otherwise, I would have made it more decorative also. But it is the most simple. And if you feel that with directly making it with small cloth is difficult, you do one thing. You take a waist hanky and then do. Show. Those who have done, please show. And see this ways. You are Anushka Budhia. Beta, you are supposed to give a turn. Now see, you have done this much now. Now you hold it backside. You will not leave it open. Now you will turn it backside. Okay? Do this. Only this fold is left of yours. Finish it. Show. If you will leave it like this, then it will not look like Ganesha. You are supposed to fold it backside. So it will take shape of ears. Yeah. Good. Keep doing. Don't give up. But the only thing I want to tell you, students, till now, you have learned so many things with paper, but with cloth, you are giving fold for the first time. So if we find something difficult, we are not supposed to give up. We'll keep trying. Show Barsana. Wow, great. Continue. Oh, wow. Anita, It's beautiful work. Shabash. I can see you decorated it so beautiful. Even boys are making such wonderfully. Yes. Keep doing wonderful, Viraj. Very nice. Great. Okay. Now, I think, shall we come back to our work? Huh? Or want 5 minutes more? If you want 5 minutes more, you can just show. Okay, okay. If we, shall I move? So show thumbs up. And if you want to wait, show thumbs down. I will wait for you. Okay, I will be waiting as many students are still doing. Okay, I just want to give them little more time. Oh, wow, good. It's far better. Good. You go through the recording and you will be able to see. Do its pasting on. Relax, it's very good. Sanchita, lovely. Stuti, great work. Shabash, you put bundis. Shabash. Anushka, Budhia, this fold now, you just go through my video and you're supposed to take this cloth back side. Okay? Only this correction you're supposed to do. Akarsha, it's very nicely done. Good. I can see you all are busy doing. Arshia, lovely. Good. Now only pasting of satin ribbon is left. Shifat, very beautiful. Nicely done. Good. And many of you have not turned on the cameras. I'm not able to see their work. If you will keep your cameras on, I will keep watch over you. Yes. I can see all are busy making Rakhis. And yeah, one more thing I want to tell you. Tomorrow is a very big festival. Very good. Very good. Good, Viraj. Shabash. Anvisha. Anvish, good. Yeah. Okay, very good. And this is I can read only the name of your iPad. I'm not able to. Please rename yourself so that I can call you with your names. Okay, now students, shall we come back? Anika Jain, it's lovely. Shall we start with coloring, beta? Otherwise, our coloring will be left and you will be getting lots of homework. I don't want to give you any homework in coloring because today you are supposed to write your message. And tomorrow is a very special day. Okay? Wake up early and then don't forget to take blessings of everyone, every elder at home. Dada, Dadi, Mama, Papa. And boys, they can touch feet. Girls, they can take blessings and help your mom a lot. And you promise me that you are going to give all this to each other and you will not fight. You promised me, you remember or not? Or forgotten? Okay? Let's make Rakhi in very special way. Chalo, let's get started. Colors. Keep your Rakhi material on one side. Let's get started with coloring. Okay? And my YouTube video is available. Recording is available. You do practice on a napkin. Okay? Take a waist hanky. Do practice on that. And afterwards, make fair Rakhi. Okay? Yes. Come back to your work. Yes. All of you. Erase all extra lines. I gave you homework of giving outlines. After doing outlines, you are supposed to erase all extra lines. Okay? Half an hour we have. Now half an hour we will give to our artwork. Take your oil pastels. We will be doing it with oil pastels. Yes, take pink and skin color. Pink, skin and white color. Skin, it means flesh tint, and white. Okay, let's get started. Keep all the stuff of Rakhi on one side. Okay, and don't give up. Do practice nicely. And then when you will use bright colored stuff now, your Rakhi will come out beautifully. Little more practice is required. Okay, take pink first. And very light you move around face. All around face. Around eyes. Around lips. Nose. Okay? Yes. Very light pink. Then you will be taking skin color. Okay? You will be taking skin color and you will overlap pink. Move over pink. All around. And afterwards come out of pink with very light. With skin color, you will come out of pink with very light tone. Around eyes, on forehead. See, after moving my skin color over, yes. In hands also. Okay, what I did, I took pink first. After that, tomorrow there is no class, tomorrow is holiday. Okay? I'm using oil pastels. Now you will be doing blending with white. If you think that there are some colors on the tip of white, you just take a waste paper and clean it first. Otherwise, those colors will get stuck on face. And now do blending with white. Blending, it means you will be moving your color very small. Small, it doesn't mean small round, it doesn't mean this much or this much. It means a dot. And each dot you will be repeating 4 times. This phase you will be doing blending. I will be taking white and I will be doing blending of complete face. Merge it nicely. I'm doing blending in hands and neck also. Don't forget neck. Blend it nicely. Don't keep your skin color. Take yellow ochre and finish boy's face also. Now take yellow ochre. If you don't have oil pastel, in that case, you can start with plastic crayons. We don't have class tomorrow. Yeah, you can make Lord Ganesha with white color also. Okay, now for making boy's face, I will be moving yellow ochre color. I want to show boy with little darker complexion. Okay, that for girl I move pink, but for boy I'm moving very light yellow ochre color in hands also. Okay. Apply yellow ochre like this and then do its blending with skin color. This is skin color and yellow ochre color. I will be moving it straight all around. And then in boy's face, I will fill only skin color, no blending with white. Don't forget hand also. Finish hand also. Yellow ochre outside and skin color. Okay. Now, kurta, we can make it sky blue color. It will look good, right? Or if you want to make it yellow, that will also look great. Let's go for yellow kurta. Yeah, let's do yellow. Move your yellow color straight all around. In kurta and pajama, we are going to leave white. Okay. So we will not fill any color. Merge it with white. You can, and you remember your favorite dress. Okay. I just want to leave the dress completely on your wish. You all remember your dress, which you love and like very much, and fill same color in kurta pajama, and girls will fill the same colors in their dress. Come on. I want to see your favorite dress color. If it is of pink color, you go for pink. Okay, for boy, I just wanted to show this little golden kind color, na? Pink. Don't forget to fill pink and smile. Girls, I will be making it rose pink. You can do any color. Any color. I'm going to do it with rose pink. And dupatta, I will be making contrast. Yes, if you want to fill poster colors in dress, you can do watercolors also. Only in dress, huh? Not in face. Now I have taken gray rose and I'm going to mix pink, rose pink with gray rose. And I just want to show golden dupatta. Okay, so I will be using the same color. This boy's kurti's color, yellow and white. I will be showing dupatta and plazo of golden color. Fill your favorite color. For dress, I will not at all bound you. You're free to do your favorite color and make your drawing looking, dress looking absolutely beautiful. Okay? If your plazo is of green color, you can try green. If it is of pink color, you can try pink. Let's go for your color scheme. And this dupatta and plazo, same ways as we did kurta here. Merge it nicely with white. I just want to show red flowers in dupatta. Make beautiful design. Try to copy the same design and pattern. Even boys, girls, just see the style of your dress and you can just apply the same. I'm making some small self design. Okay. Plain or printed, it's absolutely your choice. Just keep doing. Do it carefully, okay? You can go for your own color scheme. Do it very neatly and properly. And show your thumbs up if done. Shizo, it's very nicely done. Good. Shalini Asrani, lovely. Harshita, good. Kejal, shabash. Shreyash, wonderful. Wonderful, Shreyash. Good. Mukund, lovely. Good. Okay, now let's come on. You all have done. Show your thumbs up if done. Okay, okay. I can see thumbs down. I will wait for you. Continue, do mixing very nicely, okay? Very nicely. No need to hurry. Good, Viraj. Lovely. Rutvik, very nicely done. Shabash. Yes, Anu, nice work. Shabash. Spandan, very good. Many of you have not renamed yourself. This is Vikas Gupta. I can see name as Vikas Gupta. Yes, what's your name? I don't know the name of the student. Please rename you. Show your work. I can see your good, Kamya. Okay, let's step forward. Now, hair, black and brown. But before that, let's complete this bow. For making this bow, I will be using purple. It is violet, and I will be mixing it with light violet color. If you don't have light violet color, you can mix it with white also. Let's make ribbon. First, you always start with darker tone. So first, fill dark color. Move your color straight all around the bow. Slowly and slowly, you will be making outlines with dark. You can select any color. Okay, now for making bow also, you are free with your own color selection. I will be taking this and merge. Slowly and slowly finish. Remove dust. I just mixed purple with white. You can try sky blue with dark blue with sky blue, and any color scheme you can try. I will be taking sky blue color, light blue color, and today in background we won't be giving wash because this is a card on which you are going to write your matter. So today background will be very different. Just move it light all around. You will not fill inside. Slowly. Okay. This way you just give light blue. Now turn your file. Turn your file. We will be making hair. Black and brown. Take black and brown. And you always know when we go for oil pastels, we always start with the darker tone. And you all know whenever we want to mix colors, we always start with the darker tone. Black and brown for hair. Black is darkest. Start applying black. Very smoky. Fill it nicely. Very smoky. Black. The boundaries are comparatively dark, but inside I'm doing it very, very light. And why I'm doing black in the end? Because black is a very naughty color and very dominating color. Okay. So, yes. After doing black all around, take brown and mix. Mix it nicely. First, you move it on sides. Move brown straight on sides. And then slowly start mixing. Mix it. Okay, okay. I'm waiting. Tuhina, continue. I'm waiting. Shall we start now? Show thumbs up. Shall I step on? Yes. Slowly and slowly you will be, because now the time is running short and lots of work is still left. Although this time we are not going to give wash, we will be making rings only, bubbles only. So it will be done very quickly. Okay, and for Rakhi making, don't give up. Rakhi of Lord Ganesha will definitely take blessings of Ganesha in your brother's life. So just do practice. Recording will be provided to each of you. Okay? So don't give up. Keep practicing. Ribbons I can make, I want to make matching. So I can just go for rose pink. Rose pink ribbons. Same ways I'm going to make hair of boy. Black in hair. And if your brothers are living far in other states, other countries, you can just take the click, write your message, take a click and send that this time I made a handmade card for you. And believe me, your brothers will be very happy. During Corona, it's difficult to send Rakhis. Brown and mix it with brown. Same technique as we did for girls here. Move round. When we do blending, we move our color round. Move it round. So what will happen? Your black will be completely mixed with brown. Take your pencil. Take your pencil and highlight the features. And fill your pencil. Fill your eyes with pencil. It will look like gray eyes. Okay, this white you can see now, fill it with pencil. And all the features on which color is overlapped now, move pencil and sketch color. See, we are sketching colors. In face, all of you do this. Only in face, okay? Same here with boy. Yes. Turn your file in proper way. Remove all the dust. Now take sky blue color. And you have so many blue colors. If you have only one or two, dark blue and light blue, so you all must be having. I will be making bubbles. Yes. Just fill it sky blue. Okay, just fill sky blue. Okay, the method of Lord Ganesha I taught you. So now you can just decorate and strings and in fact you can just take some discarded jewelry from mama. Okay, Yes. Slowly and slowly merge with white. Merge it with white. Merge this with white. Now all around, you will not go give wash as this is a card and you need place to write your stuff. So this complete cloud is a space for writing your stuff. Okay. But in background, I will be using all the colors. See, each and every color is having its own beauty. Right? So I will keep picking up colors and make bubbles. Suppose this is olive green, a big and somewhere small. Orange, big, somewhere small. Fluorescent yellow and a big circle. Come on, do with me. Pick up all the colors and start doing. Violet, big and small, pink, blue, just pick up all the colors because these all emotions which you're going to gift is actually colors of life. Green. See how beautiful color is this green. And make circles properly. Huh? Don't make untidy circles. All around. Some big, some small. Now here all circles are quite big. Let's take brown and make some small circles also. You will be taking white and you will just mix a corner. And if you don't want to mix, only one from one corner, not complete. Okay. So this ways you will be completing. If you don't want to go for this merging, you just want circles like this, you can just show bubbles like this, and this is the place for writing your message. You can write फूलों का तारों का सबका कहना है, एक हजारों में मेरी बहना है, सारी उम्र हमें संग रहना है. या you can write happy Rakhi, best friends forever. ठीक है, चलो, I want to see the work. Come on. All of you, lift up your work. Yes, be ready. And tomorrow, please don't forget to take. Yes, show. Wow. Very nice. Your card is ready, okay? The only thing, your beautiful lines. The card is waiting for your beautiful lines. Okay? Just open your heart in that. Write some lovely, affectionate lines. And those who are living, you all have done amazing work. Amazing. Shabash. And with this, wish you happy Rakhi. Okay, tomorrow enjoy. No class tomorrow. And what I told you now, tomorrow take blessings of everyone. Take blessings of God. Okay, help your mom. And don't forget to promise. Girls to brothers, brothers to sisters. Then your Rakhi is going to be very special. Lots of blessings. Bye-bye. Good night. May God bless you.